Hi, boys and girls. Our story today is an all time favorite. Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. The words and the pictures are by Mo Willems. And look, he has won a silver award. It's the Caldecott Honor Book. So, I know you've heard this before, but it is an oldie but a goodie that you could read 100 times. There's our pigeon. He has his thought bubble. And look at all of those buses he's dreaming of. Hopefully he's having good thoughts about them. Okay. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while. So can you watch things for me until I get back? Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. And there he goes, walking away. But look who's peeking. I thought he'd never leave. Hey, can I drive the bus? Please. I'll be careful. I'm having a hard time turning the pages today. I'll tell you what. I'll just steer. My cousin Herb drives a bus almost every day. True story. Vroom, vroom, vroomy, vroom, vroom. Pigeon at the wheel. No. I never get to do anything. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's play a game called Drive the Bus. I'll go first. Ooh, where is he running to? Ah, come on. Just once around the block? I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5? No fair. I bet your mom would let me. What's the big deal? It's just a bus. I have dreams, you know. Fine. I think he was trying to persuade you there. Let me drive the bus. Huh. I'm back. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Great. Thanks a lot. Uh-oh. Bye. Oh, sad pigeon. Hey. Pigeon has new dreams. Now he wants to drive a semi-truck. Oh, that silly pigeon. He makes me laugh. Now I have some questions for you. Usually we've colored in the smiley faces to answer our quiz. This can be, yep, I agree, that's true. Nope, that did not happen in the story. Let's see how we did. The author wrote this story to teach us about pigeons. Do you think Mo Willems wrote that story to teach us about pigeons? No. Do you think he wrote the story just to entertain us, to make us laugh and giggle? Yes. In that book, did the pigeon get really angry because nobody would let him drive the bus? He kind of a temper tantrum. Yes, he did. He screamed in the middle of it. Did the pigeon want to drive the bus to the zoo? Did Mo Willems tell us that the pigeon wanted to drive the bus to the zoo? Nope, he never told us where he wanted to drive. And the last one, did the pigeon want to drive the bus around the block at all? Yes, he told us that he wanted to drive around the block. Just let me drive around the block. Good job, my friends. There's an activity in Seesaw that I would like you to do with this book. I want you to do on one side of the page, tell me what the pigeon wanted to do. But on the other side, I want you to tell me about something that you've wanted to do that somebody has said, no, you can't do that yet. So have fun with it. See you later, and there'll be another pigeon book tomorrow.